Alright, we're starting over and I don't freaking care. Okay, so here's a cellular grid. You know how that works. If you don't know how that works, then you could be partially retarded, fully retarded, I don't know. You know? So it's all your dimensions of everything here and how it all. This is seriously a cellular free energy grid. Alright, this is like the 9 by 9 matrix. So anyway, where should we go from here? See this rainbow on clouds shit? You know about rainbows. You know, you can only see them at certain when they're at certain angles. There are certain angles of lights and how all that shit works. 52 degrees, 54 degrees. What we see is, it's 40 degrees and 42 degrees. You know. So that's interesting. Add those numbers up, it's 187. Isn't that like a drive-by or the police code for a drive-by shooting or something? The rainbow, again, this is all related to the rainbow. So when I made this image based on, just the number 9 and how, we all know about the number 9. But this is like the H, the rainbow bridge, and here's the clouds, like 9 times 1 through 9 times 10. So it's your 0th dimension through your 9th dimension of balance, which is actually the 10. And then the 11 is the portal out. And then you get to the 12th or the next dimension of numbers, or however that works, a lightning bolt looks, Zeus's lightning bolt, it looks like a heart, if you break a heart in half, it looks like a lightning bolt, sideways it looks like Aquarius, or, Aqua Leo, Aquarius. Leo's opposite of Aquarius. And when you change the R to a L in Aquarius, it's Aqua Leus, or Aqua Leo. It's not just the age of Aquarius, there's Leo too. It's so yeah, there's all this cool stuff, right? And then so you got like 0 times, 9 times 1, 9 times 2, 9 times 3. So these are all your answers. You got, so 9 times 1 is 0, 9, 9 times 10 is 9, 0. And it all mirrors. See how the rainbow lines up? Like the 0 lines up with the 0, the 9 lines up with the 9, all the way in until you get to the 45, 54. And if you know about Bill Donahue and 45, 55, and how the first 116 lines in the King James Bible show us this grid, or this grid was derived from Genesis, the first 116 pages, and then you got Bill Donahue who debunks all kind of shit in the Bible, and here's number 610, your home, 45, the constellation 4555, Coma, in Virgo. It's in Virgo, the Virgin Mother, and Coma means child, so it's literally mother and child going home, so 9/11 both ways. There's your Coma constellation looking like a V, up in where's it at? Right here, 45, 54. So it would literally be like right up here. You got your MC or your Leo at the top, or your solar. It literally, it would be right where it's showing. Like it's like too perfect. So 45, 54 is like the middle of the rainbow, And literally these numbers, you take the first digit and you plus 1. You get to this one. You plus 1, 2, plus 1, plus 1. And then the second digit, you're minusing everyone. You minus to the 8, to the 7, to the 6. So it's like a plus and a minus going both ways here. And then you got your mirroring rainbow, probably underneath too. It goes, it's not, I'm just showing it in one direction like that. So anyway, in between the 45 and the 54, is actually 4950 when you go in, 45 to 46 to 47 to 48 to 49. And then 54 minus 4, you get to 50. So literally the middle of the rainbow is the 4950, which is what? You add that together, that's 99. You know what I'm saying? 99 red balloons or something? I don't know. All the 99 shit. 9 by 9 matrix, the 9 by 9 that we're talking about. Wow. So the 49th gate is like the 49. That's the middle before you cross. That's the last number before you cross over to the other side of the bridge. So, and when you spell out 49, FORTYNINE, 49 or 4D, 9, 9 for balance, 4D for fourth dimensional time. Fourth dimensional time. The ninth dimension would be balance. So that's your 49th gate, right? You're 7 times 7. You're circled 76, which is a 77, which is inside of the 69. It's inside of the 69. The Coma is the 42nd constellation, 42 again, 42 degrees for a rainbow. We're talking about light here. Tribe of Judah, tribe of light, we're talking about light. 4555 would fall on the right side. Well, God's left, but still the right side, So that's the 49th gate, I think. And then 50, 5D, love. We're crossing over to get to 5D, love. And it just makes sense. In 4555, it all makes sense. 4D to 5D. So we're gonna, where is it at? Let's see what page it's on. So yeah, many in the Bible, 4555, and there's 4555 is in the Bible. Many means your kingdom is numbered. 74,600. 74 is an 11, and then there's your 6. There's your 116 again. So, interesting, huh? Well, I think so anyway. Some more stuff about 4555. Isham, maggot brain theories. See the 77 inside of the 69 again? Looks like Coma. Get to hell, go to hell, go to L. Get to L. 5D love in an L formation. Did I pass that one yet? That's what we're talking about. Right here. 4D time, 5D love column. Okay? Looks just like this. This is what? 131011. Whoops. Wrong one. 131011. See? 4D, 5D, 057X76. 06713L. Or the, 50. So anyway, so yeah. So 4555, 4D, jump to 05, and then these three numbers added up was like, or was it multiplied? I think I multiplied them. Yeah, 5 plus 7 plus 10 plus 76 plus 50, 148, 13. Make an L shape to get out of hell. Yeah. 76, because there's a 76, it's 7 times, see, I used the X as a multiplicator, that's what I did. So I said 7, instead of 7, 10, 76, I said 7 times 76. Yeah, 7 times 76 equals 55. In some way. I don't remember what I did now, hold on. That's what I did. So 76 times 7 is 532. And yeah, right down here. Okay. 5 is bring the 5 down. 32 is 3 equals 2 is a 5. So that's how I got my 55. There's other ways. So 45, 55, 45, 50, 55. And then, and then you come over here. So this is a 50. And I'm on the 5D column. But if you keep going down, this instead of crossing over and making the L and coming over to 5D, then you just keep going down the time column, and with all these 55s, like, it's a trap, you know? Yeah. Dreams don't have deadlines. If you build it, they will come. If you BLD it, the ye, the self, will coma. 45, 55, go home. Birth, life, death. Love, yeah. 4D5, 432. Coma means hair. Perfect balance. Yeah. You are God's house. Hebrews 3:6. You are God's house. Ah, you mean, oh, okay. I know. Tell me about it. So, it is what it is. I don't know if I missed anything. I encourage you to watch this video. See, this guy does know what he's talking about. You know, you just have to disregard his belief in NASA. Just just see the connections. You know, see the connections. So yeah, we made a rainbow with the 9s, and it's beautiful. You know. Yeah, we're always missing something in the video, but who cares? There's enough there to just think. I mean, I never seen anybody do that. I never seen anybody make, like, I knew the 9s had a mirroring aspect, with the, like, Rodin coil and vortex math and shit, but, and then, the other sacred geometry and stuff, but, like, I just never seen it depicted this way, like, just, I mean, and then going down into it, like, just the whole, whatever way I explained it. I just see cues everywhere, I just see these portals shooting out of these. It's like, it's just like, it's broken heart. It's like you have to break your heart or something to get to the next dimension. You have to give up all the, you have to let go of a lot of shit. It's the only, I mean, it's your 11s. It's like you have to ascend, you have to, you know, fuck. Fucking easy, you know? So, fuck these Mason assholes, They're mocking us. You know what I'm saying? It's saying the same shit. See, here's the pillars of the H and the fucking rainbow. It's the fucking portal shit shooting out. It's just depicted a different fucking way. The fucking rainbows, it's just cues and loops, Whether it's a Q or a fucking, even it looks like a number 2, but that's another way to make a Q. I mean, they're just fucking showing us the same thing. It's like, seriously. Seriously. These fucking assholes. See, there's the next H, the next, it's like fractal, yo. Wake up. Wake the fuck up. Yeah, and maybe research, the legal name fraud too while you're at it. So this is just fucking whatever. Fucking just fucking grow the fuck up, shall we?